So stay in the capital, where Sanitation Minister Mr. Kofi Adda says the government is to implement a zero landfill policy to recycle and convert waste into usable materials or composite fertilizer.
Mr. Adda said most of the landfill sites would still be open if there were more recycling plants in the country.
When trash is recycled, materials that will otherwise be thrown away are processed into new products. It helps reduce the amount of materials that are wasted or thrown in landfills, such as paper, plastic, glass and aluminium. In our part of the world, recycling is not common. The Jacora Fortified Plant, a public-private partnership with the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, seeks to change that. It aims at managing and recovering nutrients from organic matter to help manage waste. The plant is on course with a working capital of $90,000 to professionally segregate fortified composite for the Tema Metropolitan Assembly. The plant, which was inaugurated last year, has developed 12,500 cubic liquid waste and 700 metric tons of segregated organic waste. The managing director of Jacora Ventures, Mr. Nate Tokoli, said Jacora, through the sector ministry, will help deal with the fecal and solid waste challenges facing the MMDAs. Sanitation Minister Mr. Kofi Adda said a budgetary allocation of 200 million Ghana cedis has been granted to procure equipment to manage waste within the assemblies. Ghanaians must now be responsible for the waste they generate by ensuring that waste is sorted in the home before it is picked up.
It is also part of the policy of government for us to work tirelessly to ensure that we do not have waste lying about or mountain in places where we all see as Bokobi or Pong, where we cannot get rid of the waste. We have a policy that we are pursuing. We call that zero landfill policy. The zero landfill policy simply means that all the waste that we are accumulating, that we are sweeping and gathering and transporting and piling up, that waste, that rubbish, that boiler should be converted into the sort of thing that this venture is doing today.
A 7-member board of directors was later inaugurated by the minister. He charged them to ensure that the composite plant delivers on its mandate. The Tema Metropolitan Chief Executive asked the board to keep to best practices to be able to reduce the challenges encountered in managing waste in the community.